you guys to check it out. This is the home zone security LED light, and it has a 240-degree detection. So I did an unbox last time, and this was on sale from Costco. It used to be like $39.99 and then on sale for $29.99. But this time I got it for $19.97 or something plus tax. So I bought 4 of them. So this is a motion activated or manual override. And the article number or the item number is 710080. And this one has 2500 looms, 35 watts only, save 5000 kilowatts over a life of fixture. And this one gives you 22 years of long life LEDs. So I'll give you guys a 360 view. And it has adjustable double lights. For a wide field spread. So this light fixture is pretty sensitive. So if any of special movement, it activate right away. Okay. So it is good for like a backyard security in case you have somebody wanna mess around with your doorbell or anything like that, either front, back, side of your house. It is a good idea to have this. Although it might trigger faster and wasting electricity, but better than safe than sorry. And then this one allows you to adjust the time control, security adjustment, ambient light sensor, the locks, and allow you to manual override function by switch on and off. 240-degree angle, so either 50 feet or 15 meter. And you could also use it for the barn or storage facility, backyard, commercial exterior. So illumination output is approximately 2500 nums, 500K. Sensor detect range 50 feet by 240-degree. Adjustable time on 5 seconds to 7 minutes. Lux light sensitivity. And then motion detection sensitivity. Manual override function. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So again, get the manual override or motion activate. And This one has a 5-year limited warranty. Let's go ahead and open this up. Got 3 of the cap, neutral, hot, and then white, black, and then green wires. And it also comes with this bracket of the bar. And come with this super dry, stay from moisture. So here is the security light. So I got the black, white, and then the green wire. Green is the neutral wire. I mean, green is the ground wire. So I got the hot, neutral, and then ground. So this is the twin head LED motion sensor security light. So you have to install on your wall mount and don't put it upside down. The LED part goes on top and then the motion detector on the bottom. Installation continue. Operation continue. You got the timer, sensitivity, and then the locks. And then troubleshooting guides. And then that's in a different language. So here's the hardware kit. Here are the wire caps. it grommet cover. So the screw going in the middle section right here. Okay, go all the way through it, and coming out from here. And this is where you put the bracket around your light fixture. Alright. Just gonna give you like a simple idea, and those are the screws that you could go over your J-box or whatever, and then that goes through like that. You gotta mount this bar first. So after you screw this on tight, then you will fit this rubber cover right there. Just be sure to put the push in from the side. And that's it. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys a tutorial how to install it. I need one for the backyard, and then this light bar allow you to adjust high or lower, and give you like a wide angle if you need to put more on the side instead. But just make sure that it doesn't hit the wall, unless you have to put it on the post or something. I'm gonna put the cap before I lose it. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.